Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are in the kitchen again. We are doing the kitchen cupboard, guys. My husband is finally doing the cupboard for me. I guess he got just the other day when I did the painting of the floor and the walls, and he was supposed to do the cupboard like a long time ago, but now we finally have a time to do it, so he's doing it for me, and I'm grateful. Even though my work got a little bit messy, but it's okay because I'm getting my cupboard done, and he'll be doing some tiling also, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Today's a packed video. This is just the first part of it, guys. It's not going to be completed today. So stay tuned as we update this kitchen.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
So guys, do you remember how tidy my kitchen and my washroom was? That's the culprit. He is the culprit. But it's for a good reason, guys. He's building the cupboard so I can store the pots and plates. And he's also tiling. Well, he's finishing the tiling. And he's going to build another piece of counter from here to over here, so I can keep the tea stuff. And I'm going to put shelf under there. So yes, guys, I guess he got jealous after I did the kitchen and it was looking so lovely, so I said, you know what, let me finish up my part of work. We're considering tiling over this side, tiling the entire part over here. We're thinking about it.
It's too tall.
Still too tall? Just one cut off, that's all.
I begin to.
You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
So guys, we're also going to remove this cupboard from here. We're going to build a smaller one, half the size as this, because like I said, we're going to add another piece of counter from here to over there, so we don't want it to be all the way out. So the cupboard is going to be as short as this side. Yes guys, so this is going to be removed. Yep, but everything takes time guys. We're doing it step by step. So we're going to finish up the tiling first, the cupboard, and then we concentrate on this and to tile on this side. And this part guys is going to have glass. Yep, focus camera. Glass door. Yeah. So it's going to be a see-through cupboard. This side is going to store my cleaning products and stuff. What's up, madam?
Do you think you're a dum-dum?
Why would I?
Okay.
I begin to.
So I guess we did the work back way. We paint first and and then we do this after. You can plaster it. Just put it on like I have it. Just finish. So guys, we considered, we said we're gonna tile on this side, but this side is not gonna, this part right here I'm gonna show you after when Junior finished doing his thing here. So just ask him to just pull out these holes because I can paint them after. Sean, just pull out them one here too. No, you're not tile over this side, you're gonna tile from here, so look now. You're gonna tile from here, look. From where your door is, from here, so go straight down to over there, so this side now go tile. You just want where the stove is so you can easily wipe off. So guys, this is how I get my husband to do things I want him to do. Start the job and then he finish. Then he finally get to start doing it. Not true, Sean? Tell me I tell. Oh, let me I tell. Anybody who is married knows. That's how you get the man to do work. When you ask him to do it, yeah man, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. That's how you get in promises. But it's when you start it for yourself, then get jealous and then say, you know what? Let me do it, yeah. Make time.
When you see mommy doing it, you're like, if you want to do this hard, mommy doesn't have to do anything.
Come here, Justin. Where is your while ago?
Nothing.
Guys, Justin in here defending his father saying when daddy see mommy doing it, daddy take over and do it because know that mommy don't know how to do anything. Tell me now, what an embarrassment. What are this?
I didn't say anything.
I've pulled out the back. Make one brace on for you.
See if you get this. Now, what your side of this? You push it back to the wall here. Let me get this. Like that. I don't know if you can send this through. Just a little bit close. See? Come on, send sometime. Go ahead. Come on, send sometime. This is all firmly to the wall. I will follow you. Follow you where you may be. Piece of the top now. Something like that. It is on color piece. Hold it down. Screw that down from the top. This I can use as one of the shelf. And the split piece, screw piece. So come out. Piece like this. Then you can pick up off of the other one. Now
So guys, this is it. Yep, all cleaned up, and the only thing left to do, guys, is just to put the shelves in and this part. I started putting in the plates already and the pots. So I have the door and the shelf under there. And I'm gonna clean up, and that's it for today. Yep, really nice. So this is how far we reach with today's work. Yep, it's nowhere near finished, but we're getting there. I removed the carpets from the kitchen and the washroom because they need washing, because through we're working they got messed up, so I'm gonna have to wash them. But guys, it's looking lovely. So these are where the shelf are this shelf's gonna go. So it's gonna paint in white, and then you're gonna have glass shelving for the plates and the cups and all of that, but it's looking good, guys. And then it's gonna grout. You're not gonna grout it one of these days. Yep, and then I'm gonna put on the door down here. Yeah, and I'm gonna also paint all these shelves in white, this cupboard here down here in white. Yep, guys. And like I said, over on this side is where the tile is gonna go. So we're getting somewhere, guys. Yep, up here it's gonna be this part is not gonna be here, and over here we're gonna have another cupboard. One of this is gonna go over here. Yeah, so that's the idea that we have for the kitchen, and it's looking lovely so far. So stay tuned, guys, as we update this kitchen. Yep, that's what we're doing. Oh, also, guys, that shelf in the washroom right there is gonna remove. We're gonna remove it. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the update.